All right, Brad and I were running extremely late this morning, so I didn't have time to film an intro, but here it is. Fort Sill Regional. We're bowling on an Army base, 8 games today. Hopefully we both strike a bunch and make the cut. So, yeah, here's some shots of us bowling.
Yeah! 26 plates.
Well, it's match play day here at the regional. It is day 2. We have a cashers round this morning, 5 games. I qualified at like 340 over. I'm in first by 2 pins. I think third place is like 80 or 90 pins back of that. So day 2, time to strike, make match play, and then see what happens, and hopefully, please win my first regional. So I'm in a good position. Definitely gonna make the cut unless I blow up today. So yeah. 13 games today. Hopefully I can come out close to the top.
if I can throw that shot any better. I don't think I can.
All right, so I went 256 over for those 5 games, averaging just over 250. Got to keep that up for match play. I'm in the lead by about 170 over second, about 220 over third. So if I bowl anything like that in these next 8 games, I should take home my first regional title. I don't know, stay tuned to find out if I do. Match play, 8 games. What's the Game 5 update? I'm like 1,030. Second place is like
700?
Second place is like 700, so I gotta keep my pulse for the next 3 games. Game 6?
Yes.
You gonna beat me?
Of course I fucking will.
I wouldn't be surprised.
It's 300 on this way.
My luck is gone.
Yeah.
300? As long as so we're gonna tie with 300?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. That sounds good to me.
I think it's like at 50 pins.
Packy 103.
Yeah, I have 2 of them. One that hooks and one that doesn't. I tried to throw the one that doesn't because my other one hooked way too much. I'm an idiot. Just move.
I'm not happy with my odds over here.
right, we got the dub, but gotta wait for Frankie to get his check. Then we're on our way home. I averaged like 249. Second place was about like a 230 something average. So I led by about 300. I think I won by 300 and something maybe. Regional number one for me, title number one, PBA title number one. Fun weekend. Obviously they were pretty easy for me. So it was fun. Kept my cool all weekend. Not too hard when you have a 250 average. So pretty cool bowling on an Army base, but till the next time and next year, peace.